Leo was not a bad man. He was just tired all the time. Tired of traffic, tired of noise, tired of people who spoke without thinking. Every small thing felt personal. If someone cut him in line, his chest burned. If a colleague spoke sharply, his mind replayed it all day. If the rain ruined his plans, anger followed him home. People around Leo said, "You need to calm down." But Leo believed something else. The world keeps testing me, he thought. Anyone would react the same way. One evening, after another long and frustrating day, Leo decided to walk instead of going home. The city slowly faded behind him, and he reached a quiet lake at the edge of town. The water was still. No horns, no voices, just silence. Leo sat on a bench, breathing slowly, when he noticed something odd. A small wooden boat was drifting toward him. No lights, no sound, just floating. As the boat came closer, Leo's mood suddenly changed. "What kind of person leaves a boat loose like this?" he muttered. The boat bumped gently into the edge. Leo stood up, angry. "People have no sense," he snapped, ready to shout at whoever was inside. But then he looked again. The boat was empty. No one. Leo froze. All that anger, with nowhere to go. The lake didn't apologize. The boat didn't answer. And suddenly, something uncomfortable became clear. Nothing had attacked him. Nothing had insulted him. Nothing had meant to hurt him. Yet the anger had already risen. Leo sat back down. And for the first time, he didn't blame the world. He asked a harder question. If no one caused this, where did the anger come from? The answer was quiet. It had always been inside him, waiting. The world wasn't creating his anger. It was revealing it. That night, Leo walked home slowly. The traffic was still there. The noise was still there. But something had shifted. The next day, a coworker spoke sharply. Leo felt the familiar heat rise, but this time he didn't release it immediately. He paused, and the anger faded. Days passed. Not every moment was peaceful, but Leo learned something powerful. Anger does not come from events. It comes from unexamined reactions. The lake never changed. Leo did. If you feel angry often, it doesn't mean the world is against you. It means something inside you is asking to be understood. The moment you stop fighting the world, you start mastering yourself. And that is real power. Subscribe to Mindful Momentum for short stories that quietly change how you live.